miniature toys. I'm making ice cream with Play-Doh. This orange color, now we are cutting the clay in 2 pieces. I'll racked ankle from this base. Now cutting to triangle like this. Now we are design dots in Play-Doh for making ice cream.
Nice!
Now we are taking Play-Doh. Play-Doh color is pink. Now we are taking green color Play-Doh. Mini bowls. I'm making tasty ice cream. Pink bowls. We are taking Play-Doh blue color. We are making mini bowls for ice cream. Yummy! Now my ice cream is ready.
Subscribe to our channel!
Thanks!
Bye-bye!